my snare. Fuck it, I don't even need it. It's my story. It's how I was born. It's how I came about. Get with it, get lost. I got some skeletons in my closet. I don't know if no one knows it. I'll expose it before they drop my casket and close it. It all started on the day that I was in my mama gut. My pussy father acting up his faggot ass was probably drunk. She asking why he started shit. He must have had enough. Living in a dirty trailer park. Hell yeah, we had it rough. My daddy hit her in her stomach, knocked her to the ground, started kicking and spitting, saying, "Look who laughing now." She crawled to the phone and called the cops just like a rat. He had no place to go, like they caught him in a trap. He told her she a dirty hoe and ran out the back. Cop threw him to the ground and cuffed his hands behind his back. They beat him in the grass and put 20 in his ass. Got him in the car and tossed his body in the trash. Police came back and told my mom he ain't alive. He committed suicide. She could tell it was a lie. She didn't win in court and all the bills were stacking up. So she moved into the city, everything fit in the truck. Started working 3 jobs till she got her money up. Now we living in a 1-floor bedroom apartment. 7 years later, mama took me for a drive. Said I gotta be a bully in school to survive. So we ain't have no money, couldn't even buy lunch. Say I'm choosing 4 years, standing wait corner the bus. I know my mama hate it cause I look just like my dad. Deep down I know she wishes that she had a girl instead. It ain't an easy task, woman trying to raise a man. Mama turned to alcohol, it became her best friend. Never called me by my real name, Sammy or his Joe. Same thing she called my father every time he beat on her. Every day I hear her telling me, Sammy, one time you need to stop before you fucking run that line. Anytime she got upset, she blow smoke in my face. Cigarette, tobacco, as a child I knew the taste. By the time I was in high school, I was trying to run away. Sick of all the bullshit, getting yelled at every day. Got a job as a welder, I was making plenty cake. Until my mama got me fired, spitting in my boss's face. Let her go to the farm to my family, grandpa and grandma. I love spending time with them. It was an escape from this cold world. Wish my mama didn't act like a spoiled ass little girl. She died 3 years ago. I ain't even cried, cause for half of my life I couldn't wait for her ass to die. I know it's fucked up, but that's how I really feel. Cannot shed a tear for someone who never cared. And it's real. And it's real. I said I'm sorry, mama, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. One more time. I said I'm sorry, mama, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. I said I'm sorry, mama, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. One more time. I said I'm sorry, mama, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. Mama, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. Mama, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. I said I'm sorry, mama, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. I said I'm sorry, mama, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. I'm cleaning out my closet. I'm cleaning out my closet. I said I'm cleaning out my closet. Clean it. Sorry, mama.